Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging, so that means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. And no, I haven't found my orange scissors. I don't know where they're at. Oh my god, they were hiding. Look, I found them. I'm so excited. I thought my son-in-law put it, with his tools and stuff. So, yay, I found my orange scissors. I must have put it in from standing up. Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, I'm even more excited to see what's in this bag. So, let's see. Let's just get rid of the bag. All right, this is from Fansells. We have cross stitch and diamond painting. A diamond painting. So we'll start with it first. Fortunately, it comes in this crazy plastic bag. So we'll see what we can do. Pull it out. Maybe. Maybe. I just do not like these plastic bags. Try again. There we go. We'll set it aside. There might be hope that we get it back in. Alright. So this is a 40 by 30. Isn't it pretty? It just screams spring. Hang on, let me roll it this way. A moment. But I like the birds and the flowers and all the stuff and all the beautiful colors. Isn't that gorgeous? Just summery. It's got 24 colors in it. Very nice glue. But it wasn't too big, so I hope everything, you can see all the details. And it is a round. Has the product number and how big it is. All the beautiful numbers. Well, it kind of got cut off over here, but we're perfect over here. So, that is awesome. Let's see how big this is. I'm sure it's going to be 40 by 30 on the outside. It is 39.5 because they missed a little bit of that edge. But that's okay, as long as I can see what I'm doing. 30. So, yeah, and the actual picture. I think this is the one that will fit in an 11 by 14. It's like 13 3/4 inches or 35 centimeters by 25, which is, hang on, about 9 3/4. So if you put a little edge around it, you could put it in an 11 by 14 frame. That's what I like about 40 by 30 or 30 by 40. But isn't that beautiful? And it's very well marked. Very well marked. And let's look at the drills. I'm not going to take them out of here, but look at all those beautiful colors. They are in little baggies, which is very nice. I like that. Oh, I forgot to tell you, it comes with a boat wax and a pin and a 3 or 4 placer. So that's cool. Look like nice, pretty drills. You got purples, yellows, oranges, corals, reds, more purple, blue, gold, and green. Two shades of green. So, yeah. And everything's kind of broken up. I love this. I just thought this was something else. I'm going to try to get it out. But look at all the pretty birds and the beautiful flowers. It says summer or spring. So when we're all down and out and over the snow, we will work on this one. Because all the bright, beautiful colors. I love beautiful colors. Okay, I am so not going to try to get that back in that plastic bag, so we're just going to set it aside. Alright, let's see what we have in cross stitch. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that just gorgeous? It's from DIY cross stitch. Oh, I forgot to tell you about the diamond painting. Hang on just a second. The diamond painting was $3.34. I thought it was beautiful for under $5. And This is $5.08, and it is a 40 by 40. So let's take a look. I don't know if we're going to do the background on it or not. Oh, we got issues here. It was stuck to the bag when I went and pulled it out, so yeah, handy. We'll have to get it a new bag. But isn't that gorgeous? And you could put as much back stitching in that as you want. Just absolutely stunning. Love the color of the grapes and the little birds. Just beautiful. And let's see. Here is your page. It is a round. You do not do the background, which is wonderful. Has 25 colors. We have no 310, but I could find me some 310 to, you know, do all the back stitching with on everything to make it come out. I think it'd be gorgeous. It has 666 red, no 823. It does have some 939. The other dark blue is 336, if I could just say it. And it has 3865 for the whites. So, yeah, but this would have to be blown up. It's another one of the small ones. It does have product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. So you know it's not very big. It does have 2 needles right here. Very soft threads. It does have the product number right here on this card. They must make them up ahead of time, but look at all the golds and autumn colors, and then you have like burgundy and red and what is that? It's like a plum color, if you will. There's some even more darks. I don't, yep. You got one strand of 550 purple right there. And that's your 666. But nice, beautiful colors. And some pale green. Just beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Just beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love these things. There's just not enough lifetimes. Let's turn it around. So it's very well printed. Hang on, I'm trying to get everything out from under my elbow. You do have the colors going down the sides. They look all right. And nice, big, huge key. You can see all the numbers. This is about the size of that landscape, that pink landscape that I have. Unless it's a 50 by 50. It might be 50 by 50. I don't know. But I do like this size. I think it's perfect. And I just love all the oranges and reds in this. It's going to be beautiful. Gorgeous. What happened to the... I'm looking. Let's see how big it is. It is not serged all the way around. It is a 36.5. If I could just get it there. Yeah, 36.5, which is about 14.5 by 40, which is 15 and just a bit over 15.5. So it's not too big. The actual circle size is 29 or 11.5 by 29.5. So, or 11 3/4. So very nice. It's a nice, smallish size. I do like it. You can see all the, sorry, that was my oven. Yeah. Just lovely. Just absolutely lovely. Okay, if you thought that was beautiful, wait till you see this. Because Laura went nuts again. Laura went nuts again. Hang on, I gotta get the edge. We'll get it out of the bag. We're trying. And then we can take a look. Isn't that beautiful? Just absolutely beautiful. You got the mountains, you got some fall trees here and there. You got water. There might be something down there on the water. Yeah, this one's a small one. Not. It is 100 by 45. Let's open it up. It is not serged all the way around. Comes with a few threads. Just a few. And it looks like they're... Whoops, no. Hang on. Hang on. I'm trying to get it. They put all the threads except for this onto the thing. I'm looking for the paper. Hang on. We're getting there, guys. Sorry, didn't mean to hit the deal. Here is your paper pattern. It would definitely have to be blown up. It has 35 colors in it. Product number, how big it is, and how many squares per squares. It is 389 by 151. So that makes it 45 by 100. Very nice. But, I mean, I can see it. If I had a little magnifying glass and I had to go to a certain section, I could definitely see it. It's very well printed. And even the light blues, you can see the lines, you know. But, you know, if you were going to use it for any big time at all, yeah, I'd blow it up. It has 154, which is that purple... I don't know how to explain it. It's like, here we go. It's like that dark plum color. I love that color. So gorgeous, even in diamond paintings. Let's see. No, 310. Has 823. Has 939. No, 3371. Or 3771. And it has 3865 and B5200 in it. So the 65 has like a blue tinge to it. I mean, just a smidge. And then the other is just plain white. Just beautiful. Okay, let's look at those colors. So you have a skein of 3041, which is kind of a pale mauve color. Beautiful. And then everything else, right? Okay, so let me get a hold of it. It does have the product number written across the board. So there is your, I think that's 939 right there. Lots of that. You have fall colors and some muted blues. You even have like a pale, I call it seafoam green. It's my favorite green. Yeah, I'm not a green lover, but dang, I love seafoam green. Then you have olive greens and grays and pale purples and blues. Oh, this is going to be stunning. Just stunning. And there is a lot of thread here. Just a lot. A lot, a lot, a lot. Look at that wad of thread. This puppy gets its own bag. I'm sure of that before we ever go anyplace else. Now, I won't be able to take a picture of the whole thing. And it's not very big. I mean, all things considered, the 100 is the length of the whole canvas. Hang on, I'll try. Hang on. Hang on. Okay. It is 98 centimeters or 38 and a half, or 38 and 3/4, I'm sorry. And the actual picture size is approximately 88 centimeters or 34 and 3/4 by 34 by almost, did I say that right? Let me look at that. 34 and a half. It can't be. Can't be. I must have misread something. Hang on, I'm trying to hold it up here. coming across. 80, 87, oh, it was 34.5 inches. So 34.5 inches. Holy cow. I'm losing it, guys. I'm losing it. I've been doing this too long. By 13 and about 13 and 3/4. So it's not very wide. It does have some confetti. It also has some big areas. But very nice big key. Very easy to read. Hang on, I'm trying to roll that puppy up. There is a salvage edge up here, so they gave you a little bit of extra. So there's lots of margin room. And they do have a scan thing. I don't know what that's for, but okay. I don't know that it'll work on a canvas. I've never used those things. But very nice, very well printed, very easy to read. It is an 11 count. I'll try to hold it as still as possible. Come on. But you can see all the things. Let me fold this way a minute. It does have the product number. I'm trying. Of course it's too wide. Hang on. Product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Nice gridding. Very well printed. But as you can see, there are some big areas to stitch. You know, and then you're going to get a little bit of confetti here and there. Because you got trees. Trees should be spelled C-O-N-F-E-T-I. Right. I think that's how you spell confetti. Not sure. But I think so. Right offhand. Off the top of my brain. But yeah. Just absolutely stunning, stunning picture. We're trying to get it folded here, and then I can tell you I folded it wrong, but of course we'll just get it out of the way because it's tending to be a mess. Now that picture was $13.47, so not too expensive. Fansells has really good prices on everything. They're pretty competitive, you know. Unless you get something that's totally huge like European Town or something like that, I mean, you can stay in the range, and sometimes they're trying to get rid of them, you know, so, and get some new ones in. Now, they do have free shipping over, I think it was $36, and they have cross-stitch diamond painting. I don't know if they have paint by number. Yeah, they do have paint by number. They have custom, they have embroidery, they have crafts and tools for all those things. They usually have a special Christmas section now that it's coming on Christmas. I ordered this on the 3rd of November, and I received it on Saturday, the 26th. So it takes about 2 weeks to get here. So, you know, and that's any company that I review, you know, unless there's a problem somewhere, you know, a big, huge problem, you know, and I usually get a email saying, hey, it's going to be late or that kind of thing. So they're really good about that. Do check them out. Thank you, Fansells, for sending me these lovely, beautiful kits that I love, and, you know, we'll have to start. Oh, yeah, somewhere. Yep. Alright, guys. Thanks for joining me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching and diamond painting.